I really didn't think that this would actually work. Hello everyone, today we are going to see review and demo of foot peel mask from the brand Furr, and this one set has MRP of $499 but I got it from Amazon for $349. I've provided link in the description box, and inside the pack you get one pair of foot mask socks. These are coated on the inside with a gel based serum consisting glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Best part, it is unisex, so both men and women can use it. Okay, let's use it now. So first wash your feet and dry them thoroughly. Now cut the mask from here and wear them just like socks. You need to seal them proper at the top, so I have used a rubber band to keep it secure. And this mask contains glycolic acid, which helps in removing dead skin, and salicylic acid, which softens those hard callus. Once you have the mask on, you need to wait for 60 minutes. And during this time you will notice a strong smell like a nail polish remover thinner, and your feet will feel quite cool and tingly. After 1 hour, take off the socks. Now you need to massage a little and then wash them with water only. And at this stage, you won't feel much difference. The real magic starts after 4-5 days when the skin begins to peel off. You can gently peel it away. Don't worry, it's completely normal. Do not panic. It's absolutely painless. And within 7-8 days, all the dead skin will be gone, leaving your feet incredibly soft, smooth. And this process is totally painless, though it looks a little weird when the skin starts shredding. Overall, a super product. Definitely worth a try, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.